What is good, YouTube? It's your boy BigJSeanDon back in another video, man. And today I got another vlog for your boys. Jeez. But yeah, man, no. Today I'm gonna show you guys real quick one of the meals that I always prep. Yeah. So like, I've been wanting to do like a video of like, you know, like cooking videos and all that stuff. You know, show you guys what I make, what I've been prepping, you know, recently. And yeah, so today's gonna be one of those days. So today I'll be making some salmon fillets. But yeah, alright guys, before you guys judge me, the salmon that I use is the frozen ones in the packs. I know they're not the best quality fish that you can get, but you know, it's cheap, affordable, and convenient. So yeah, I already thawed them and all that stuff. Been having these for a minute, but yeah, here you guys go. These are the ones from Walmart. You can get these in like, I think these were like an 8-pack or something like that. But yeah, they were like around $8, maybe, so like under $10 basically. But yeah, man, we're gonna use these right now. And yeah, I'm gonna be experimenting too with some sweet potatoes. I haven't cooked any of that shit yet. It's my first time trying to cook it. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you guys how I'll be cooking that too. So yeah guys, the first step I'm doing right now is the potatoes. Grab some real quick from like Aldi when I was grabbing some other stuff today. And yeah, right here, chopping them up right now. Gonna cut them up into like little squares so that, you know, I can prep them up in my little containers with the fish and like other stuff that I have prepped up. I have chicken breast prepped up, but that's like, I only got a piece left. I made that like a week ago. And I also have ground turkey prepped up that I made a couple days ago. So yeah, pretty loaded on prep food. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I prep the salmon. Alright y'all, so basically we got the sweet potato all chopped up. Try to make them as thin as possible. Yeah, I'm gonna do this in cubes. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. But yeah, gonna save the other one for next time. It's kind of a bitch to like skin these like with a knife. It's my first time doing this shit, you know, using sweet potatoes for my meal plans. But yeah, man, go try it out. And yeah, I'm showing you guys what's the next step for it. Alright y'all, so the next step that we're gonna do is grab your, we're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna use this right here, got some over. Use this for icing. And yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, I'm gonna do this right now. Alright y'all, so we're gonna some olive oil in the dish. Preheat, and then we're gonna throw in this one together. So yeah, we can go ahead and do that right now. Turn the heat to medium high. It should cook, and throw these bad boys in there. So yeah, I can't do this right now with camera on my hand, but I'll show you guys how it looks like after. Alright guys, so when you throw in the sweet potatoes, this is how it's supposed to look like. Simmer. Let that shit cook. Yeah, pretty much flatten it out. Yeah, just let it sit. I would say probably like maybe 4 to 5 minutes inside or something like that, and then keep mixing them. Yeah, man, that's all you gotta do right now. And I'm just gonna season it with just basic salt and pepper. So yeah, let's do that right now. Matter of fact, for the seasoning choice, I always use this for like my meats and all that stuff. I'm probably gonna use this right now. It's just organic garlic and pink Himalayan salt. Hopefully you can focus right here. But yeah, man, right there. Got it from Walmart. It's about like $4 or $5. But yeah, just season it on this, and it should be straight. Good amount. Yeah. Alright you guys, we're probably like about 5 minutes in. Ever since like I threw in it in the pan. But yeah, this is the color that you want to see. That's for me. You know, make sure like it's not that orange color. Make it kind of like a little yellowish. Yeah, man. Just keep cooking it until like that. Even it out, flatten all the sides. And yeah, cook for about, I'm gonna guess for a total for like 14 minutes, something like that. But yeah, just make sure like everything's all fully cooked. And yeah. Alright you guys, so basically you want to take it out the pan, put it on the plate with some paper towel, and just let it dry out right here, and these will become crispy. I I would say total cook time probably like 8 minutes on medium to high to heat. But yeah, man, this is how it should look like. And I know for a fact it's gonna be crispy. Just basically just cook until it's soft, and then it'll harden up later on when it goes off. But yeah, man, that's the sweet potatoes done. Now it's time to go cook the salmon. Alright, y'all, for the salmon, so now what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some Kerrygold garlic butter. I'm gonna experiment with this time. I'm gonna use some of this with some olive oil. Last time I just cooked it with straight olive oil, and yeah, like it was pretty good, but I'm gonna try it out with this time, you know, give it a little kick. But yeah, man, probably gonna need like this much butter where my thumb stops in the brick. But yeah, man, I'm gonna throw that in right now. I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright, you guys, I threw in the butter. Basically, sit in the pan, you know, spread it out right there. But yeah, man, and then throw a little bit more of olive oil, and then throw in the fish. Alright, you guys, now I threw in the fish in there. Cook at medium to high heat. Yeah. Put the meat side first, facing down. Skin side facing up. I'll cook that for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then flip it over for about 2 more minutes. So cooking time probably should last around 8 to 10 for the whole thing. But yeah, just make sure make sure your fish is fully cooked. So yeah, like I said, guys, the quality of this fish is not gonna be the same as you get from like a deli, like from a grocery store, where you get that shit from the pound fresh. You know what I mean, like from the seafood department. But this will do for now. You know, if you're on a budget. But yeah, man, right here. That's the salmon on the way. But yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, you guys, so I flipped it over now. Now it should be like this. Looking like I said, guys, not the best quality looking fish, just because it's frozen. But it'll get the job done. So just make sure, please, make sure that you fully cook fish. So yeah, cook on that skin side now for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. And yeah, it should be almost done. And you take them out, and then yeah, do the same thing. Put some paper towels on the plate, and yeah, just let it sit, cool down. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys the finished products. I'm most likely gonna end up cooking the other sweet potato too. This one right here that I bought, because look right here, as you guys can see, these are crispy now, like after they cooled down. And yeah, might as well just cook it now. But looking at sucks that just getting the potato skin and cutting into pieces. So yeah, that's the only thing that's the downside, but the results and product is pretty much worth it. But yeah, all that hard work for that. Pretty simple too, but yeah, man. So I'm gonna do that right now. And yeah, I'll catch you guys with the finished products. Alright, you guys, so currently, right now, it is currently 2:30 in the afternoon. See that? 2:30 in the afternoon. I've been cooking for at least probably like an hour or so. I'm cooking the last round, the last batch of sweet potatoes. I ended up cooking it right here. Yeah, that's almost done for like 2 or 3 more minutes. Yeah, just make sure it's fully cooked, soft, and really hard enough. So yeah, salmon's all done too. As you can see right there. Like I said, guys, not the best looking quality and all that stuff, but it'll get the job done. So yeah, once I finish all of the cooking and all that stuff, I'll show you guys all the end products. I'm gonna throw in also a bag of salad that I would buy from Aldi. Is these Asian bags, ones I have right now. So yeah, there's 2 flavors I get. Is an Asian salad bag, and then also the other one's like the Thai cashew nut Asian bag too. Matter of fact, I'll just show it to you right now. Basically these 2 right here. So the one I will be cooking today is this one right here. Like I said, you can get this from Aldi. Salad kit. It's the Thai and cashew one right here. Expires today, the 31st. That's why I bought it. And it was the only one left. I usually get this one, but I only got 1 bag because everything else expired today. And I bought like 3 other bags for the Asian salad ones, which are these right here, these purple bags. These are fire. But yeah, man, Asian bags. They're usually around $3 each. But yeah, I'll have them, you know, in a meal, per meal. So like once a day type of thing. But yeah, I'll just set it up and all that shit. But yeah, man, I'll show you guys the end products once everything is is all done. Alright, you guys, so basically everything is all done. Here you go, sweet potatoes are right here, ready to go. Yeah, I'm looking pretty good for a first round. And right here, the salmon. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the meal, for this type of meal. It's my first time cooking the sweet potato, so wanted to experiment and show you guys, bring you guys with me. And yeah, also with this salmon right here on deck. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go plate this out once it's cooled down, and I'll show you guys what typical like meal prep can, like, you know, contain. You know, basically like once these are like in containers basically and meal prep ready to go, you know how it look like. Usually I would throw these in a container all to itself. I'll put all my proteins, you know, in one container and just serve it, you know, as much as I need to, instead of like, you know, having like individual containers, you know, all prepped up in my fridge. That's what I'll usually do, but I'll show you guys just for the sake of the video. And yeah, I'm gonna also make one plate. I'm also gonna make a prep container for my girlfriend. So yeah, I might as well just do that right now. So yeah, guys, once it's cooled down, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. Alright, you guys, so I just got hopped out the shower right now. I had to go get freshened up. Gonna go hit the gym later. But yeah, man, here's pretty much the end results right here. Sweet potato with the salmon. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like in this container right here. It's gonna be for my girl right here. But yeah, do this right now, so you guys can get lean and big like your boy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do this right now. Show it to you guys real quick. Alright, you guys, so I'm also throwing in that salad kit that I showed you guys earlier. So I already mixed it already in a bowl. Just mix it in a big bowl and serve it well. But yeah, man, just make sure you serve it, mix it well. And I also threw in some everything bagel seasoning over here. This is just one by McCormick brand. Hopefully you guys can focus right there. But yeah, man, it's just everything bagel seasoning. I don't know why it's not focusing, but focus, please. There you go, right there. But yeah, man, just throw it in there, mix it up, mix it real well, and then yeah, just serve. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it right now in this container. So place you guys right here real quick. But yeah, man. So what I would do, let's see, I would throw in here on this side. My girl doesn't really eat a lot, so I'm gonna make sure she eats plenty for this one right here, because it's a special meal. But yeah, some salad right here on the side. And then also I'm also gonna give some to my sister for the salad, so she's pretty. She wants some right now, so I'm gonna throw her some. And then some sweet potato right here. I'm gonna throw some a little bit on the side. Sorry if I'm blocking you guys real quick. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. I'm just doing this for you guys real quick. But yeah, man, sweet potato on the side for some good carbs. But yeah, give her a good amount because first time cooking this. But yeah, man, here's how we're looking at it right now. Like this. Man, this food's making me hungry, guys. But yeah, guys, like that. You got your salad. You got your sweet potato, and then top it all off. Throw in some everything bagel seasoning. You guys, I'm telling you, a little dash of that adds a hell of flavor. But yeah, man. And then let me just grab the salmon real quick. So yeah, over here, you guys. There, and then we just throw a piece of salmon in there. Give her this one right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So your final and end product should look like this. Yeah, that is pretty much it. You got your salad, greens, and your carbs, which is the sweet potato, and then your protein, it's just salmon. Pretty good meal, pretty simple. It's just annoying to cook because pretty much cooking salmon or fish in general is kind of like a battlefield, and you know, you're fighting against the oil and all that shit. But yeah, man, That's pretty much it for the setup, you guys. Pretty simple. It's basically a meal right here. I have other meals that I make other than this, so if you guys really want to see that those type of videos, leave a like on this video right here and comment down below. Let me know that you guys want to see those type of videos, because I will show you guys how I make my other recipes, and yeah, basically like my other go-to meals. So if you guys are interested in making more cooking videos like this, just to get shredded like me, I'm getting pretty lean, you guys. Like, yeah, I'm getting pretty lean. So if you guys want to see what I eat on a daily basis, and you know how I cook them and how I prep, leave a like on this video down below and let me know in the comments down below. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and follow me on Instagram, social media, Snapchat at BigJSeanDon. Links in the description down below. And yeah, you guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.